In this question, we have a system of equation. The question says find the solution of the system of equation. We have negative 6x minus 9y equals to negative 42. And then 6x plus 5y equals to 10. If you take note, in this question, we have two variables that we'll be looking for, the values of x and y. So how do we solve this? This is very simple. It's not difficult. Remember, in this channel, we show you how to solve mathematics the easy way. Okay, so now let's get deep down on this now. So we have these two questions. How do you answer this? So first, if you take note of the coefficient of x, so the coefficient means the value or the number that is attached to x. So that is the coefficient of x, like in the first equation. So first we're going to do, so let's first identify the equation. So we say can call this equation 1, and then we can call this equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1 you can notice that the coefficient of x there, the coefficient of x there is what is negative 6, and then the coefficient of x on equation 2 is also 6. So if you take note of that, they have the same, they are the same values, right? So what do we do? Since they are the same, we're having 6 6, so it will be very easy for us to first eliminate the x, and then we can be able to look for the value of y. So how will I do that? So all I need to do is to ask myself a question. I have negative 6 and then plus 6. I have negative 6 and 6. So my question will be, what will I do to equation 1 and equation 2 so that I'll be able to eliminate x, the variable x. So all I need to do is to add them, because I know that if I say negative 6 plus 6, that will give us what? 0. So all I need to do, I will say equation 1 plus equation 2. So I'm going to add them together. So if I do that, negative 6 plus 6, that will give us a 0. So automatically everything on s will be gone. So that means s goes off. So leaving us with what? Negative 9 plus 5. So negative 9 plus 5 will be what? So negative 9 plus 5, that will give us what? Negative 4y equals to, we'll go over here, negative 42 plus 10, that will give us what? Negative 32. So next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to divide both sides with the coefficient of y, and the coefficient of y in this question here is what? Is minus negative 4. So I'm going to divide this now, both sides with negative 4. So this goes off. So have y is equals to what? Negative divided by negative, that is give us what? Positive. So 32 divided by 4. 32 divided by 4, the answer is simply 8. Where you can easily just break it down, we can do something like this, like 2 here is what? Is 2. 2 in 32 is also what? Is 16. 2 here is 1. 2 here is what? 8. So our answer is what? That means that y is equals to 8. That is it. Not hard, right? Very simple. So what do I do next? Now, since I've gotten the value for y, all I need to do is to now substitute the value of y into any of the equation. I can say to choose equation 1, I can say to choose equation 2. So but right now I'm going to use equation, so let's use equation 2. Okay, so we use equation 2. So if I want to use equation 2, I can say from equation 2, what is equation 2? 6x plus 5y is equals to what? 10. So wherever I'll see y in equation 2, I'm going to substitute, I'm going to change it, replace it with what? With 8. So let's do that. So that will be what? 6x plus 5 times 8 equals to what? 10. So that is what? 6x plus 5 times 8 is what? 5 times 8, I give what? 40 equals to what? 10. So the next thing we're going to do now, we're going to combine the like terms. Okay, so we'll notice 40 and 10, they're the same. So that what I would do, I'll be combining the like terms. So we're having what? 6x is equals to, so 40, that gives us what? 10 minus 40. 10 minus 40. So 10 minus 40. So we have 10 minus 40. Let's correct that. So 10 6x equal to, so let's pick a pen again. All right, All right, so we have 6x equal to 10 minus 40. So what do we do? 6x is equals to 10 minus 40 give us what? Negative 30. So what do I do? Divide both sides by 6. Divide this by 6. So 6 goes off here. So what would that give us? If I divide this, so 30 divided by 6 is what? 30 divided by 6, that is going to give us what? 5. So we'll say x is equals to what? Negative 5. So can I say therefore, we're not going to arrange them in a pair. That is in this form, x and y. Okay, x and y format. So that means that x is what? So our final answer now, x is negative 5, and then y is what? Y is 8. So this is the solution to the system of what? Of equation given to us. So that is it. Not difficult, very simple, right? So this is what you do. Remember, the key to understanding mathematics is to practice it again and again and again. So if you don't understand, I will encourage you to watch this video over and over again and try to practice this question on your own. Copy the question out, look at the solution, then try to solve it on your own. By so doing, gradually you will understand how to solve questions like this, because they are not difficult. It's actually very simple. Once again, thank you so much for always visiting my channel, and if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscription button and share our videos. Bye for now.